going to take the Grom to the no prep. I figure we're going Grom racing, little bikes. I'll use little money, whole bunch of ones. Got some real money if people really want to bet out there. But I figure mini bikes, mini money. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully Jon doesn't mess it up and make me lose all my money. I think I got like $20 in ones right here, and then $500 of real money. So we'll see. Got a 3-hour drive to the track today, so gonna go fill the truck up, get coffee, and head to the track.
12 seconds later.
Just got our coffee. Ready to go to the track now. On to the way to the track. 180 miles away. Go watch some Grom's grudge race.
20 minutes later.
Push my mirrors in because I'm not towing anything. I started driving down the road and realized, oh, I pushed one in. That's a fail on me. Today's not my day. Back to the track we go. I'm just glad this is most of my drive up there. I don't mind driving. I just hate city traffic and stop and go and all that. So I don't mind driving back country farm roads for a couple hours.
2 hours later.
This is what I was talking about. I'm an hour away from the track. I'm on the interstate now, and of course stuck in traffic doing 30, 35. Ready to get to the track, not have to deal with traffic.
1 hour later.
187 miles. We're almost there. We're here. Shadyside Dragway. They're here. Time to get this Grom ready to race. Look at that race bike. I don't know if we're gonna be able to unload this thing.
12 seconds later.
It's a real YouTuber.
A few moments later.
Definitely the flags there. Huh? How loud finish on the flags. Yeah. curious to see now that you get the shifter fixed.
What?
But it does drop 3 or 4 pounds on the shift too.
Yeah.
How was you on that?
Huh?
Did you have to pedal the wheelie, or did you stay in it?
I don't know.
I think you.
Did you let off of it when it wheelie?
Plug never feels tight. It's weird because I definitely tighten it.
Might be able to lean this puppy out a little bit. That one right there only made 10 pounds on top of first. That's what you got. She looks a little fat.
Well, that was just plain rude. Some people just don't know when to quit.